Hello. Today is the 2nd of May. We could call it Ray Day because this is Satyajit Ray's birthday. If he had lived, he would have completed 99 today and stepped into his 100th year. Next year will be his birth centenary. Now, we all know about Satyajit Ray that he was a great filmmaker, put India on the map of the world as far as cinema is concerned. We also all know that he wrote a lot of children's stories, Feluda in particular, Shonku, all kinds of stories which are very, very popular. But what is not that well known about him is that he was a wonderful translator. Now here today I'm going to read one of his translations from his father's poems. His father was Sukumar Ray, who was extremely well known in Bengal as a nonsense rhyme and prose writer. And what is wonderful is that Ray has translated his poems, keeping the rhythm intact. That is really quite wonderful. It's very difficult to do that. I mean, I've tried, I know. So today I'll read a very famous poem of his to you, and then I'll read the translation. Gof Churi. Head officer boro babu, lokti boro shanto. তার চেয়ে এমন মাথার ব্যামো কেউ কখনো জানতো? দিব্যি ছিলেন খোশমেজাজে চেয়ারখানি চেপে, একলা বসে ঝিমঝিমিয়ে হঠাৎ গেলেন খেপে। আঁতকে উঠে হাত পা ছুঁড়ে চোখটি করে গোল, হঠাৎ বলেন গেলুম গেলুম আমায় ধরে তোল। তাই শুনে কেউ বদ্যি ডাকে, কেউ বা হাঁকে পুলিশ, কেউ বা বলে কামড়ে দেবে সাবধানীতে তুলিস। ব্যস্ত সবাই এদিক ওদিক করছে ঘোরাঘুরি, বাবু হাঁকেন ওরে আমার গোঁফ গিয়েছে চুরি। গোঁফ হারানো? আজব কথা। তাও কি হয় সত্যি? গোঁফ জোড়া তো তেমনি আছে, কমেনি এক রত্তি। সবাই মিলে বুঝিয়ে বলে সামনে ধরে আয়না, মোটেও গোঁফ হয়নি চুরি, কখনো তা হয় না। রেগে আগুন তেলে বেগুন তেড়ে বলেন তিনি, কারো কথার ধারধারি নেই, সব বেটাকেই চিনি। নোংরা ছাঁটা খ্যাংরা ঝাঁটা বিচ্ছিরি আর ময়লা, এমন গোঁফ তো রাখতো জানি শ্যামবাবুদের গয়লা। এই গোঁফ যদি আমার বলিস করব তোদের জবাই, এই না বলে জরিমানা করলেন তিনি সবাই। ভীষণ রেগে বিষম খেয়ে দিলেন লিখে খাতায়, কাউকে বেশি লাই দিতে নেই, সবাই চড়ে মাথায়। অফিসের এই বাঁদরগুলো মাথায় খালি গোবর, গোঁফ জোড়া যে কোথায় গেল কেউ রাখে না খবর। ইচ্ছে করে এই বেটাদের গোঁফ ধরে খুব নাচি, মুখগুলোর মুন্ড ধরে কোদাল দিয়ে চাঁচি। গোঁফকে বলে তোমার আমার, গোঁফ কি কারো কেনা? গোঁফের আমি গোঁফের তুমি, গোঁফ দিয়ে যায় চেনা। These two last lines, গোঁফকে বলে তোমার আমার, গোঁফ কি কারো কেনা, গোঁফের আমি গোঁফের তুমি, তাই দিয়ে যায় চেনা. They've become immortalized in Bengali language and have become part of the lingo, actually. Spoken, of course, in jest. Now, Ray has done a wonderful, Satyajit Ray has done a wonderful translation of this poem called The Missing Whiskers. They always knew the boss babu to be a gentle fellow. What happens if he, in a jiffy, turns all blue and yellow? He was seated in his chair, relaxed and free from care, indulging in his post-meridian nap, when without a warning, in the middle of his yawning, something right inside him seemed to snap. With muffled cries, he rolled his eyes and threw his arms about. "Alas, I'm sick, come save me quick," was what he sputtered out. They heard him and they all began to cluster round the stricken man and pondered on the safest plan to bring him to his senses. "Call the police." "No, the vet," his partner said. "He seems upset." "But careful, he might bite yet," said his amanuensis. But Boss Babu, his face all red and swollen, now declared, "My moustache has been stolen." Stolen whiskers? They all cried. The Babu must be pacified. And so they held a mirror to his face. "There, sir," they said, "you see your whiskers where they used to be? Who would dare to put you in disgrace?" Babu now began to scream, "You dunderheads, I would not dream of ever wearing whiskers so outrageous." They make me look like a shaggy butcher. Know this, in the near future, I ought to know, I must reduce your wages. This he did, and then, at random, he composed a memorandum, herewith quoted minus appendages. If you think your employees deserve your love, correction please. They don't. They're fools. No common sense. They're full of crass incompetence. The ones in my establishment deserve the highest punishment. They show their cheek in not believing, whiskers lend themselves to thieving. Their moustaches, I predict, will soon be mercilessly picked. And when that happens, they will know what man is to mustachio. Man is slave, moustache is master, losing which man meets disaster. So, this is really one of the most wonderful things, is that Ray translated his father's poem. So this is the great tradition coming down from father to son. Thank you for listening.